We do the hackathon because I think it's been something that we as an organization look to our team, who are some of the brightest people we've ever had the chance to work with. And just for them to be able to be creative and unlock opportunities that they see for the organization are super valuable for us. You don't get a lot of opportunity in many companies to just spend time on a project with different departments and really bounce ideas off, and I think it just brings together the team a little bit and just our overall constant sense of collaboration.
I think generally for people who don't present for their job like sailors do, I think people did a great job, and they were very obviously comfortable and proud of what they'd put together.
I thought this year's hackathon was much more tactical, much more practical. The primary objective is just to sort of let people get creative and see what comes out of it, but we can pretty reliably get actionable sort of opportunities, both very specific low-level surgical stuff as well as brand new sort of product lines for the company. It makes it one of my favorite events of the year.
We make sure that this type of thing happens every year. We have all the resources we need. We got all the food, we even got some beer as well. Make sure we're taken care of and we let the ideas and juices flow.
I think this year they kind of kicked it up a notch with the different perks that were provided. The boba, the poke bowls. Yeah, it was great. We've all recognized as an executive team that it's one of the best parts of our culture and one of the things that really drives innovation in the company. And I think built a lot of excitement around the event.
We will always continue to go to a hackathon every year, not only because it brings the team together, but it really does help stimulate and reinvigorate us in the type of ideas that we can take to market and why we feel like GumGum is the best artificial intelligence company in the world.
People who don't necessarily work together on a day-to-day basis, they came up with really cool ideas and were able to get a pretty cool demo built in the short time frame.
What makes it work too is the fact that you do know you only have a set amount of time, so then you're not overthinking things or whatever. You're definitely just sort of like you said, hitting the ground running and saying like, this makes the most sense, let's just do this.
Usually the first night, people are like, oh, okay, cool, and might not stay as late. And then the next day, when you kind of start seeing other people's products come together, you might look at other teams and then start to get even more competitive. And that's where people kind of end up staying a little bit later to add in that little extra spice to make it the winning project.
This hackathon idea came from Ricardo originally back in 2016, and I tried to turn it into a company-wide event with participation not only from engineers but also from more business-oriented teams, from the sales department, from account management, from operations, legal.
I'm extra excited about this year compared to last year because last year we had 10 women participate, and this year we have 23, and there were actually 2 teams that were all women. So I'm very proud of them. I'm happy that women are coming out to share their innovative ideas and even collaborating with the engineering team, data science team and such. And this is a very, very great day for us, and it's something I look forward to every year.
You can have a good idea, but needing to figure out a way to express it to the judges and show that you thought through how this would benefit the company is really important. I saw it go from the first year where there weren't a lot of teams, and then there were definitely more last year, but this year's the most teams that we've had.
I'm really excited what we've done already, and I just want to see how it kind of goes over with other people and how they accept it. I think that's going to be the most interesting part about what we've done.
A lot of times the questions that we would ask would be just trying to sort of understand, well, did you think about this? Maybe it could be even used in a wider way. Usually we found that people had thought pretty creatively about those things, but we definitely were a lot of thought starters for us, getting our gears turning of thinking about those things.
First place in the 2018 hackathon goes to Coin Notation.